What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's vid, I'm going to be showing you guys a game called Speedy Taggers on App Lab. And let's go into game. So this game has a lot of mods, free stick, free admin, and free finger painter. Like it has a whole bunch of stuff. So we should be loading to the game now. Sorry. Okay, so when you first come in here, you'll see all of this cool stuff. And if you go to custom wardrobe and you'll go to mod menus, go to one hand menus for me, then mod long arms, it does work. Steam long arms work. This is like very just like it's just like I have like two of the long arms, so it's not really that good, but it is good for separate. Let's take that off. And platforms, it's like a big plat for some reason. And once you do, like, for my color code, hold on. For my color code, it doesn't really like show, so that's kind of sad, I guess. Then you have no tag freeze. No tag freeze means like you can't, when you get tagged, you can't really you can't really just frozen, just can't stop moving. How do I stop? Okay, but and then you have Moza. It's like Moza Speedy Boost, like that. What? And then look at that. And then we go to the second. You have Ghost Monkey, which it does work. But you don't. Cosmetics don't follow you. Viz Plats does work, but I don't think you could go to the tutorial. And RTX, it's basically like a lighter version of the game. And by the way, guys, I am an owner of a game in this game. I'm one of the owners in this game. And if you go to Iron Monkey, you will need 2 arms for this. Triggerfly, you also need 2 arms. So this is where it gets pretty cool. So you get a free stick, but I think it's client side. You get a free admin badge, and you also get a free finger painter. How cool is that? And if we go these, it doesn't work, but I think they're finna probably, I thought I fell out of the map. I think they're probably finna make it working. But if we go to city, it's like city revamped. So our daily tea has 4 hours left. So I'll already buy it. Green screen. Green's here. Okay, cool. And then giving hearts, flashbacks, Valentine's sale. You get all these cool cosmetics, and you could get these 2. I think, yeah, these work. And then you have the winter, the cold shop, and then the loot. It's like a red bucket and a Doug the Bug cosmetic. Then we have all your link cosmetics. When we come over here and then you make a right, you'll see art. It has a lot of art for like the owners, which is me, JJ Fire, and another person. Fire tag. The game's called Speedrunners on App Lab, but I think it's called Fire Tag. Pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. And then I think it has working critters. Not gonna go in there, but this is the booster bundle. You know, boost. You boost the server, and then you get the rest of these cosmetics. I think this covers your eyes, but these cosmetics are working. I don't know if that's working, but hopefully it does. And then if we go to the arcade, you literally know that it's just nothing. So if you want to troll and maybe film some videos here, I don't recommend you filming videos here because it's pretty scary. So then do so. Oh my god. Okay. And then one more thing. And if we go back to Stump, if I forgot a couple more things. The message of the day says welcome to Speedy Taggers. This is in our newest update for Speedy Taggers. Have fun and don't use mods that will ruin the game for other people. There's only like 3 people on, and one person got banned yesterday. Wait, 1 user. Okay, and then right here it says only use affection on, only use Steam/alarms and pubs. So code of conduct is like it's already showing. Then you have credits, which is like the credits for each mod, I think. And then we have staff. I'm finna be on the staff, you feel me? I'm finna be on the owners. The owners, you feel me? Feel me? And yeah. And one more thing. If we go to add-ons, you see that there's a Fortnite. It does work. Yeah, so it does work. Bedroom mod is just bedroom mod, has this little box, like covers, blanket, cover for that. And yeah, it has like every cover for like each way to go to each map. So, and then you have mono, which is the mono. Then you had, I don't know if change theme work. Oh wait, it does work. So you can change it to green, yellow, blue, purple. Then you can change it to black. I'm gonna change it to blue because I like blue. Or I'm gonna change it to purple. And yeah, and cameras, it's only 1 camera, which is this camera. Record, mic, flip, first person, third person, selfie, like it all works. And then if we go to here, it's like it only has like a bounce. Sometimes the words you just don't have to like put your arms on it. See? But yeah, that's it for the game. It's a nice game. It's on App Lab, so you can basically just look up on the Meta Store. And then yeah, join. I'll put everything in the description. And yeah, have a good day. I love you guys, and bye.